everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to post Instagram media from OneDrive. Let's suppose I'm interior designer and I also post regular contents related to interior designing on my Instagram account. And now my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload a new file in a specific folder of my OneDrive, automatically that same file should be shared as a post on my Instagram account. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between OneDrive and Instagram, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So here we have OneDrive in our trigger and Instagram in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically post Instagram media from OneDrive. Now here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload a new file here in a specific folder in my OneDrive, automatically that same file should be shared as a post on my Instagram account. So let's suppose I'm an interior designer and I share new images, new posts related to interior designs. And now I want that as soon as I'm going to upload a new file in my OneDrive folder, and now my objective is that as soon as I'm going to upload a new file related to interior designs, automatically that same file should be shared on my Instagram account. Okay, so we are going to create this automation by setting up a connection between OneDrive and Instagram, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. When you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create folders here to save the workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option, which is given on right corner. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Post Instagram media from OneDrive. Okay. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder. Now let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or the two principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Okay. Now let's suppose we are going to take OneDrive in our trigger and Instagram in our action. And we want that as soon as we are going to upload a new file in our OneDrive, automatically the same file should be shared as a post on our Instagram account. Okay, now after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. Let's select our trigger application first of all, and that is OneDrive. So let us select it, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay. Now we will select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new file will be our trigger event over here, as we want that as soon as a new file will be uploaded in a specific folder in OneDrive, automatically the response of that file should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow should get triggered. Let's click on connect, and now we are going to click on this add new connection button to build a new connection with Microsoft OneDrive account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Let's click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our OneDrive account. Let's click on accept, as it is 100% safe. As we have done that, we can find that our authorization has become successful, and now OneDrive is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. It is asking us to set folder path. From what folder you want the response. Okay, so I want that whenever I will upload a new file in my social media folder, then the response should be captured in Pabbly Connect. So the folder name is social media folder. So I'm going to enter the same over here. social media folder. We have to enter the exact folder from which we want the response. But in case if you want to add the image or the file in a subfolder of a specific folder, then you have to follow the instructions given over here and you have to follow this path. Okay, so we will move further now. The next is the event type, which will be new file created. So whenever a new file will be uploaded in this particular folder, social media folder, then the response will be captured automatically here in Pabbly Connect. And because Microsoft OneDrive is based on 10 minutes polling time. Therefore, when we are going to click on the Save and Send Test Request button, we are going to receive the response of the last uploaded image in our folder. Okay, so first of all, in order to receive the response of a new image, we need to upload a new image in our folder. Okay, so let's move towards OneDrive, and here I'm going to open my folder, social media folder, and now I'm going to upload an image in this particular folder. Let's click on Upload, Files, and now I want to upload this contemporary interior design image. Okay, so let me select it, and the image is uploaded. Now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and you will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details related to the file as well as the folder. Along with other details, we have also received the download URL of this particular file. So by using this URL, we are going to post the image on our Instagram account. Okay, let's move towards our action step, and now in our action application we are going to select Instagram for Business in order to share the post on it. We will select the action event as publish photo. We will click on connect, and now we will go with add new connection to build a new connection with Instagram for Business account. Let's click on connect with Instagram, and here our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Instagram account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Instagram for Business is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After building the connection, it is asking us 3 details. Instagram account to be used. So the account is already selected as Michael Garris. We will move further. The next it is asking us is the photo URL. Which photo you want to post on your Instagram account? We need to enter the URL of that image here in this field. And it is given that the supported formats here are JPG, GIF, PNG, ICO and BMP. Okay, so the images of only these formats can be supported. Okay, now here I'm going to enter the URL which we have already received from our earlier response, that is from OneDrive response. So we will simply map the URL over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details. So we want to map the download URL which is given over here. Let's select it and it will be mapped. Now when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So whenever a new file will be uploaded in our OneDrive folder, automatically the photo URL is going to be replaced with a new URL of that new file. But in case if we will enter it manually by copy and pasting, then it would have become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Then the workflow will get stuck. Okay, now the next is the caption. What caption you want to post along with your image? Here I want to use the caption as the title of my image. So along with other details, we have also received the title of the image, that is contemporary interior design.jpg. But in this name I do not want this .jpg. So we will have to first format this name for using it as a caption. So we will add one more action step here in between. Let's click on this add action step button. And now in the action application, I'm going to select text formatter by Pabbly. So with the help of text formatter by Pabbly, we are going to format the text. That means here we are going to format the name of the image. Let's select the action event as split text. We want to split the text and we want to separate .jpg from the text. Let's click on connect. And after building the connection, here it is asking us the text to split. What text you want to split? I want to split the name of the file. This is the name contemporary interior design.jpg. And the next it is asking us the separator. By using what separator you want to separate this particular text? I want to separate it after this dot. So the separator here will be full stop or the dot. Okay. The next is the segment index. So let's select all so that we will get the full text in the response in the separated format. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here is the response. In the response, we have received the name of that image and the JPG is separated from it. Okay, we will go back towards our Instagram for Business step, and here I'm going to simply map the caption. This is the name of the image. This will be the caption of our post. Okay, so because we have mapped the caption, it is also going to change with each and every response. So whenever I'm going to upload a new file in my specific folder of OneDrive, automatically the name of that file will come here in place of this caption. Okay, let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can find that we have received the response along with the ID, and because we have received this ID, that means the image is shared as a post on our Instagram account. Let's go and check. So this is my Instagram account. Let me refresh it, and we can find that yes, the image is shared. Let me open it and show you, and the caption is contemporary interior design. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully built an integration between OneDrive and Instagram. So whenever we are going to upload a new file over here, automatically that same file will be shared as a post on our Instagram account also. So let's check this workflow once again. So here I'm going to upload a new image in my folder in OneDrive, and as soon as we will do that, automatically after 10 minutes we will see that without any manual efforts, the same file will also be shared on my Instagram account as a post. Okay, so let's upload an image. So I'm going to upload a new image. This is bedroom interior. Let me open it, and I have uploaded the image over here. Let's wait for 10 minutes. And yes, after 10 minutes, we can find that automatically without any manual efforts, the image is shared over here. Let me open it. And the caption is bedroom interior, the same name as the title of this image. This means that our workflow is running perfectly fine. Let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken 3 simple steps, trigger and 2 actions. In trigger, we have taken Microsoft OneDrive, and in action, we have taken text formatter by Pabbly as well as Instagram for business. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new file will be uploaded in a specific folder of OneDrive, automatically that same file will also be shared as a post on our Instagram for business account. Okay, in the same manner, you can very easily create this automation, and this will enable you to automatically share post on your Instagram account whenever a new file will be uploaded in your OneDrive folder. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.